Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, Myro did it. Pretty much hit 11 cents. I've been talking heavily about Myro the last few times, the last week or so, because I've seen it pretty much be done going sideways, done accumulating, and I knew the pump was coming very soon, and it happened, right? If we break this down, like I said, pretty much here we had a massive resistance zone around the 9 cent mark, and we just broke through it actually today, right? A couple days ago, I said I'm doubling down on Myro around 8 to 8.5 cents, something like that. And then I made another video about a day or two ago saying, hey guys, this is your literally last chance, right? Sure, we hit 9.5 and technically you could have got in at 8.4, but like I knew it was like that's it. Like you buying in this price range is going to be pretty much the last time you are going to be seeing this price. And I explained pretty much how, you know, we've been pretty much accumulating here for a very long time, right? Bitcoin is kind of done going back and forth. So that's another indication, right? We had the daily order block, which was for me a lot of confirmation that, hey, we are reversing. And, right, if we look here, there is actually technically another confirmation that I was just like, okay, hey, we are going to be reversing even more and more. Pretty much, right? When we take the trend line from the relevant tops of the weekly, right, we can see it's touching pretty much all three. You can kind of see how the momentum at this point, somewhere here, starts shifting very slowly, right? There weren't very big indications, but you can kind of see that, we respected this area here. We broke structure, right? Then eventually we broke back down, kind of going back here to make us go higher and higher, right? And eventually the daily gets filled. And there was just so much confirmation. So now if you missed buying Myro, and you want to buy Myro, what can you do? Well, you could literally buy at this price because 11 cents is still fantastic. If you're still going to be very stingy with the price, which I would be very careful about, maybe you can get it for like 9, 8 to 10 cents, that area. But I would be extremely careful because Bitcoin is, the selling pressure on Bitcoin is getting weaker. Myro just broke out of a big range, so there may be a huge pump like this, right? Last time Myro starts breaking out of a range, right? We're either gonna have a scenario like this where we go up, retest, which I doubt, and or we're gonna have more of a scenario where we're gonna have it like this, where we actually pump up a good amount, go back a little bit before I have another huge pump, or we're just gonna be pumping, right? I'm not the market maker, I can't tell you, but all I know is time is very limited and things look absolutely fantastic for the future. Like I said, Myro is going to be looking to be taking out all these relevant tops, right? And eventually with Myro, which one thing I forgot to say is we pretty much have to get above this zone here. Once we do, right, whatever Myro does, once we kind of get above, the 30 to 35 cent mark, depending on how fast, we go up, it is looking fantastic because technically this is going to act as a big diagonal support. And then obviously, Myro is going to test the tops, eventually get off the tops here, and it's going to go to multiple billions in the market cap. And I cannot wait, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys got yourself a bag. And listen, I'll talk to you guys next time.